All heat is generated in the heat pump that's installed outside. Cold water enters the bottom of the tank and is pulled through the pipe into the heat pump. There it is heated with the CO2 refrigerant and the heat from the outside air and sent back to the top of the tank. Cold water is pulled from the bottom of the tank. Hot water is then pumped back to the top of the tank. This causes stratification of the two water temperatures inside the tank, helps maintain an average tank temperature that is higher than a normal water heater, and also allows more hot water inside of the tank. The CO2 refrigerant system is entirely self-contained. Installers and users do not need to interact with the CO2 or any part of the pressurized heating system.